Writer's block or blank page syndrome is one of the many problems students face. You open the document but do not know where to start writing. There, Textero, which is powered by artificial intelligence, could be of a great help. This tool is better than generic tools like ChatGPT or others because it's trained on 15 million real human essays and it can explore more than 200 million verified reliable academic sources. In this video, you will learn how to use this tool while preserving academic integrity and saving time. To use Textero, go to textero.io, sign up and log in. Very easy, and you will see this simple and neatly organized interface. On the left-hand sidebar, you can see my documents. Your future documents will appear here, and my library, where you can upload your own documents. Under writing section, you can see paraphraser, summarizer, citation generator, and other tools. But to use Textero, let us create our first document. To click on this Create a Document button here. You can ask Textero to deliver the result in multiple languages here. First, you have to define your topic name. The impact of climate change on global migration patterns is my topic name here. Under the instruction, you can give more detailed instructions. Here are my instructions, just 3 bullet points, but you can give more or less. And you can also specify the number of the pages. Let's make it 3 pages. And under the sources section, you can see use sources from my library. Since I am starting fresh, I don't have any document in my library. Let the Textero find external sources, and you can select the citation style and hit on this generate button. And within a couple of minutes, we should see our manuscript. As you can see, it is in progress and it takes around 3 minutes. Text is ready. As you see, it is now under my document section here. To use it, click on this. Now your document is open. You can do many things here with Textero, but before jumping what we can do with it, I have to mention, do not forget that if you are a part of academia, you have to always preserve academic integrity. Never just copy-paste AI-generated text to your document and submit it. Always think about adding your own voice, adding your own words and knowledge to this text. So what we can do, we can select the text, and as you can see, we have now this simple menu, the editing tool. Under the AI commands, you can paraphrase, you can make text longer, shorter, improve readability. Let us click on longer, and in a couple of seconds, we should have longer version of this text. So here it is. If you like it, click on accept, and it will be changed and added to your text. With Textero, you can also add more sentences to your created text. Put cursor in the sentence, just click on this button, and it will suggest a couple of sentences, new sentences if you like, and if you think it's fit, just click on this accept button. As you can see, after certain sentences, there is a source in brackets, and in the end of document, you will have this references here. Since it is short document, it used 3 different sources. Of course, you can add more. And when your document is ready, just click on this export button, and you can export your document in Word or PDF extensions. Apart from text generation, Textero has multiple other features. On the left-hand side, you can see all these features, the detection and writing section. Check them for yourself. So paraphraser, when you click on it, you can put your text here or upload your document and select one of the modes like academic, simple, creative, and hit on this paraphrase button. Textero will do the job for you. So this is Textero, basically very useful tool if you have just a couple of ideas but do not know where to start writing. It can provide massive assistance in the beginning to defy writer's block. And right now there's a spring discount on the website by which you can enjoy up to 50% discount on Textero and start using premium features. Hit like and subscribe button to support my channel and ask me any question in the comments.